Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a simple project in Java which has the ability to check either word, any alphabet, any name is started with A or not. You can also replace A with any alphabet like B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z. For this, first of all, we make a new Java project, and after this we make a new class, then we move further. Okay, let's start. Go to the file menu, then new Java project named as you want. I named it as simple GUI. Okay, finish. After this we make a new class, Java class. Okay, our class is created. That's good. Let's move further. Here we create a void main class. Okay, after this we take input dialog box, J option pane dot show dialog box, enter. We make a message, small message, enter your name. Okay, our dialog box is created. Okay, now we apply if and else condition. Okay, here we apply if input text is start with A, then it will display a message. Your name is start with A. Else condition, in else condition it will display your name is not start with A. Okay, if apply, then we apply J option pane dot show message dialog box, and then we type our message which we will want to show. Name starts with A. Go to the else condition. Here we initialize again a message dialog box, and we apply name a dialog box. Name doesn't start with A. One more thing, if we take a capital, so our application will also take an capital, otherwise it's get wrong. Okay, ARPM, that's good, working. Let's start again, execute again. Now we take a non-capital, ARPM, it will display not start with A.